Hi, I'm Maria and I'd love to help you reach your language goals. If you're a beginner, I'll talk to you in a speed you're comfortable with. If you're an advanced learner, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll talk to you in a more natural speed. I graduated from one of the top universities in the world, the National University of Singapore. My TESOL course, which I took at a British education center in Singapore, is recognized by the UK government. 我曾经在数家世界知名的公司从事过中英文翻译工作，翻译工作领域涉及到金融数据、会计、应用技术、人力资源等等。在工作期间，我需要向大众华区分行的上司报告，这使我吸取了很多宝贵的经验。由于我亲身体验过学习外语的困难，并且目前也正在学日语，因此我相信借助自己学习语言的经历，能够进一步地帮您学习英语，让你更自信地使用英语与外国朋友交流。So what makes me different from other English teachers? For example, I use research from the world's top universities to find out common mistakes made by speakers of your native language. These include pronunciation mistakes, grammar mistakes, collocation errors, translation errors, and the use of unnatural expressions, among others. After correcting my students, I provide them with additional materials from reliable resources for further information and practice. To make lessons more effective and interesting, I use a variety of digital tools and useful databases. And of course, I'll definitely teach you expressions used by native speakers so we can sound more natural when communicating in English. By targeting common mistakes made by speakers of your native language and focusing on language you can actually use in your daily life, it is definitely possible to see immediate improvement in your English. With consistency and good preparation, it is definitely possible to reach your goals. Please read my profile for more details on my qualifications and experience and send me a message if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. 皆さん、最高の時はこれからやってきます。一緒に頑張りましょう。よろしくお願いします。Ako po ay handang tumulong sa inyo para maabot ang inyong mga pangarap. 만나서 반갑습니다. 화이팅! 大家一起加油!